Hi guys, today we're going to play in the water. That is, we're going to play with water slide decal, and we're going to put it on a mug. We are selling these mugs. These are 12-ounce mugs, and they're brushed stainless steel or rose gold, and I think we have them on the website, or will have them on the website, for $9.99 each. And this is the perfect thing to use the water slide on. So today we're going to pretend they're wine mugs, and we're going to go into Google, and there was a saying I saw, I think it's like any day without wine. Oh, that's what it is. A day without wine is like, just kidding, I have no idea. Anyway, I thought that was funny. And we're going to download this one. So I'm just going to go into Save Image As, Wine Day, and then I'm going to save it to my download. Then I'm going to go into my download, find it, and upload it. And we're going to print this on our water slide paper. So I've already tested this. We're using our Oki Data 332 printer. It's a laser printer. This needs a laser printer, by the way. And we're going to scale this. I think I scaled it to 19% to get the right size for the mug. And then we're going to print it, but I'm going to be right back with you because I'm going to go into the printer. Now you can join me on my floor because I want to print this, and I'm using our DCT water slide. It says water slide down here. And this is what it looks like. It's shiny on the front and has watermarks on the back in green. And we're going to load it into my printer with watermarks down. And this is our Oki 332 that we sell on our website. It's awesome. It's a laser toner printer. The great thing about a laser printer, guys, is that the cartridges are huge, and it's powdered ink, and it lasts forever. They're a little more expensive than the inkjet printer that I have, but it lasts so much longer. Anyway, okay, so let's pull up our image, and it comes up on my Mac in preview. So I'm setting this on the Oki. I want to scale it to 19%. And let's see, we're going to go into paper feed, and I'm going to use the manual feed, and we're ready to go. And here it is. So it's all ready for us to cut and press on. Apply it to the mug. So now I'm going to get off the floor. You can come into my kitchen. We're going all around the house today. Bye. First, we want to clean the surface of this. You can use alcohol. You can use Windex. You can use Spick and Span or Awesome from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use Windex. So I'm just going to clean this surface to give me a nice surface that's clean of fingerprints, and so it'll adhere better. All right, now while that dries, we're going to set that aside to dry. I want to show you real quickly This is another project I'm working on. I have to make a cherry pie for one of my daughter's clients today. So this is the cherry pie. This is a pie carrier I bought, a plastic pie carrier from Amazon. And I happen to have a vintage pie plate and pie server that I'm going to give them. But I'm going to do, my next video is going to be on what I put on the top of this pie carrier. Okay, now that our surface is clean, I'm going to cut the image. This is a transparent decal, so you won't be able to see any of the white. And once I put it in the water, you're going to see it curl. And getting the transparent decal off, it takes about maybe from 20 seconds to 45 seconds for it to come off. You'll feel when you're able to move it around some, like I'm already able to move it around. And what we're going to do is put a little bit of water on the surface of the cup, which will make it easier to apply to the cup. Okay, so now it's starting to slide around, so we're just going to carefully slide it off of there. Right onto our cup, and get this out of the way. I'm going to take a clean paper towel and squeegee out any bubbles or water. This has to dry for at least 24 hours. So after it dries for a day or two, we're going to cure it in the oven for about 5 minutes. It just helps set it even more. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.